This one is the Asus ZenBook UX433F laptop, and this laptop problem is Wi-Fi is not working. Press the Wi-Fi button. You can see here is a flight mode. This is not working here. And this one is our laptop motherboard, and maybe here is a Wi-Fi dongle, and I need to work for that. Before we doing anything in this circuit, we need to open this battery connection, because anytime would be short anything. This is very important to disconnect the power. Okay, firstly I need to clean this. Still network is not working. That means the hardware is not finding the motherboard from the motherboard. And this one is the Wi-Fi dongle. I need to check this. Where is the problem? Okay, let's open the motherboard. Let's check this. We find anything or not. Let's clean this using thinner. What happened? After cleaning this, I need to try this motherboard, because of here is some water with the thinner. Okay, let's check this. What happened? Turn on the laptop. Yeah, our Wi-Fi is working. You can see here. It's perfectly ready. So many Wi-Fi is showing here. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. After cleaning the Wi-Fi dongle, and it's working as well as good. Okay, let's shut down this.